Hello, we want to take a quick look at laminating wood, that is gluing it together. Laminate is another term for gluing it together or connecting it. There's a couple of different ways you might want to laminate or glue wood together. One is edge to edge like this to make a wider board, and the other is face to face to make a thicker board. Both of those are lamination. What I'm going to do is just face to face, demonstrate use face to face to do a thicker board. Generally use an appropriate glue, in this case simple white wood glue, which you can get at any of your big box stores. And first thing we need to do is spread that across the surface. And we don't want to skimp too much, or the glue or the joint might be what's called glue starved. So you put some glue on the wood and then you spread it around so that it's as even as you can make it. This is a very inexpensive flux brush that I buy at the big box store by the hundreds, and I use them for gluing and for other things around the shop as well. So we'll just spread this glue pretty evenly, trying not to leave any real deep pockets or any starved areas. Now, using this type of glue to laminate, this common wood glue, you need to apply pressure for at least 30 minutes. And the pressure has to be fairly strong. But I can just do it on my workbench here using this clamp. So you just put it in place, and then you can take a towel and wipe this glue off. If you leave the glue there, you'll have some difficulty removing it after the glue dries. You'll have to scrape it off or cut it off. Whereas now you can just wipe it off. But you'll find it's under pressure, and if I wipe that off and leave, 3 or 4 minutes later, more is going to have squeezed out. So that's an iterative process until it's been sitting like this for some reasonable period of time. To get this joint to be solid, we have to clamp it for 30 minutes at least. You can then loosen the clamp, but it still is not as strong as it needs to be to take full pressure. That takes about 24 hours. Hope this video helped, and if you like our videos, be sure and subscribe with the red button.